3. Number 3 of the bads. Like I said before, I think it was an old Domart truck. I could be wrong, but what's the color? Let's stop in here, talk to dispatch, see what's going on. We're supposed to have some stuff going on here. Take this for a rip.
My love must be a kind of blind love. I can't see anyone but you. Shabam, shabam. Shabam, shabam. Shabam, shabam. Shabam, shabam. Are the stars out tonight? I don't know if it's cloudy or bright. I only have eyes for the moon may be high, but I can't see a thing in the sky. I only have eyes for you are here, and so am I. Maybe millions of people go by, but they all disappear from view. And I only have eyes for you.
Decent unit, missing a couple gauges, and I don't see a 2-speed. What is it with people building trucks without auxiliaries? Maybe it was back there, but nope. Maybe it's back here. Nope. No 2-speed. It's probably got 430 gears as well. Oh, maybe it's hidden somewhere I can't see, but decent. Paint's good. I think it's probably been repainted. I'll tell you. Oh yeah, this is the tall tail. Used to work in a body shop for a while. You can see overlap on the rubber, because they didn't take the door apart, pull the rubber out, and mask the back, mask the paper the window in. So you end up with that. But I guess you want to save money. Z901. It's supposed to be an 8 maybe at one time. Hit me up in the comments if you know where it might have came from. Like I said before, I think it's Domart. It's obviously a Lennox rig up because it's the same bullshit. Well, it's not bullshit, but the way they crease all their fucking stainless, which that's all right. It adds rigidity. It's a pain in the ass to polish though. No, I don't have to polish because somebody polished my truck with Ajax and water and just fucked everything. It's definitely a short little guy. If I probably pulled up, probably look at it, it's probably just as short as my tri-drive truck. That's steer to steer right there, so he's got like a foot and a bit more than me. So, and then it's a little heavier on the steers. The Texas bed would probably outdo it. I know my road train one would because it had the bumper. It was heavy up front. This looks like a pretty light deck. It's freaking low. It's almost as low as my fenders on my tractor. But I think Domart only specialized in doing like 400s and stuff. Short little stack mats, kind of like Total. Just a bunch of little rental stuff.